Hello guys, today I want to show you how to clean your car wheels. As you can see, the car wheel is not clean at all and has traces of adhesive tape from the wheel's depot. For this operation, we will need several brushes of different sizes and hardness, protective glasses, and rubber gloves. And the main ingredient is a household chemical agent, often used in kitchens. You will be amazed at the cleaning power it has. Start by washing the wheel with water, then spray the cleaning detergent. Spray as much as needed. One bottle is more than enough for 4 wheels. As you can see, it cleans just by simply spraying. Start brushing with moderate pressure. It is not necessary to press very hard because the dirt will be removed in the end. I will increase the playback speed so as not to bore you. After each brushing, rinse well with water. Look how much dirt it removed, even after a single application. Please tell me what you think about this first result. I was very surprised by this difference. Look how it looks before, and how it looks now. Try to clean as deeply as possible. It can be cleaned very well with the wheel mounted on the car, but it is best to remove the wheel. I recommend you get a small chair to sit on because this operation takes about 10-15 minutes for each wheel, and this can vary depending on the size of the wheel or the level of dirt. As you can see, this wheel is almost like new. Even the traces of glue from the adhesive tape have been removed. And now we only deal with the narrower places where it was not cleaned very well with the larger brushes. After you have finished, ensure that you wash the wheel very well. Please let me know in the comments what you think about this result, and if you knew you could do this with this type of detergent. If this information was useful to you, please leave me a comment and a like. Thank you.